Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code WV-33898-1 on PS4. So, before we start, you need check PSN server status and the game, app's server status. You can check PSN server status by selecting Settings. Select Network. Go to View Status of PlayStation Network Services, or by using your PC or smartphone to access the PlayStation Network status page in description. To check the game, app server status, just search them on Google Search. For example, here I will search the server status of Spotify. I recommend you visit the Down Detector page, the game, app's official Twitter and the game, app's homepage. There you will see information about the server status of the game, app. If the server doesn't have any problems, move on to the first method, check for a system software update. Make sure that you have the latest version of PS4 system software. The updates always offer bug fixes and system performance optimizations. So, just ensure that the latest version is installed on your console. Besides that, you should also check for updates for apps, games. To do this, highlight a game thumbnail in your game's home and press the Options button to display the Options menu. Select Check for Update. If an update is available, follow the instructions to install the update. Method 2. Restart the PS4 and router. First, try restart your PS4 by pressing and holding the PS button on your controller. In the left sidebar, select Power. On the right, choose Restart PS4. Your console will then turn off and back on. After that, if error code WV-33898-1 still appears, then turn off your PS4. One more time, pressing and holding the PS button on your controller. In the left sidebar, select Power. On the right, choose Turn off PS4. Once it's turned off, unplug the power cable from the power source, and disconnect any peripheral attached to your console, such as a controller, headset, hard drive, etc. Wait for about 5 minutes before connecting it again to power and restart the console. Please, do same thing on the router. If the problem persists, then try using another network, such as mobile data, neighbor's Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi, and etc. Method 3. Changing your DNS settings. Go to Settings. Select Network. Go to Set up Internet connection, then select the Wi-Fi or LAN cable option depending on how you connect. Here, I'm using the Wi-Fi Connect. Next, select the Custom option. Select a Wi-Fi network to utilize if required, and enter the password for it. Choose the automatic option for IP address settings. Select the Do Not Specify DHCP setting. Choose the manual DNS setting. Here, I will try with Cloudflare DNS. Type 1.1.1.1 as the primary DNS. Type 1.0.0.1 for the secondary DNS. Select the Next. Select Automatic. Select Do Not Use options to finish. Try Play Game, app and see if error code WV-33898-1 is fixed. Method 4. Changing your MTU settings. Go to Settings menu. Select Network. Select Set up Internet connection and the Use Wi-Fi option. Select to configure your network connection with the custom option. Select the required Wi-Fi connection to utilize. Select the automatic IP address option. Choose Do Not Specify for the DHCP. Select Automatic for DNS settings or select Manual as Method 3. Next, select the Manual MTU option. Input 1473 as the MTU number and select Next to continue. Finally, select the Do Not Use Proxy Server option. Try Play Game app and see if the error code WV-33898-1 still bothers you. Method 5. Uninstall and reinstall the game app. Go to your PS4 home screen. Open the quick menu by selecting the game tile and pressing the Options button on the controller. Select Delete to erase the game app. Afterwards, download the game from the PS Store or install it from the disk. At last, run the game app again and see if the error message returns. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.